gonna burn for me to say this, but it's coming from my heart. It's been a long time coming, but we've been feeling apart. Really wanna work this out, but I don't think you're gonna change. I do much and don't think it's best we go our separate ways. To help me why I should stay in this relationship when I'm hurting, baby. I ain't happy, baby. Plus, there's so many other things I gotta deal with. I think that you should let it burn. When the feeling ain't the same in your body, don't want too much, you know, gotta let it go. The party ain't jumping like you used to. Every little spark proves you let it burn. Let it burn, gotta let it burn. Deep down, you know it's best for yourself, but you hate the thought of being with someone else, but you know that it's over. You know it was through. Let it burn, let it burn, gotta let it burn. The pain I supposed to. Somebody here, but I want you, 'cause the feeling ain't the same. Calling her your name. Ladies, tell me, do you understand? No, my fellas, do you feel my pain? It's the way I feel. I know I made a mistake. Now it's too late. No, she ain't coming back. What I gotta do now? To get my shorty back. But I don't know what I'm gonna do without my boo. You've been gone for too long. Been 11 days, umpteen hours, I'ma be burned till you return. Ooh, your body don't want you, but you know, gotta let it go. The party ain't jumping like you used to. Everyone is fire, let it burn, let it burn.